It's a dark day for the internet, y'all. Never thought I'd see this, but Google is no longer the number one domain. It's been replaced by TikTok or TikTok, which I hate TikTok with a seething passion. I can't stand it, and it's just personal. I just don't like. It's just, if you ever walked into a place, like you go to a bar or something and you're like, oh, this is not my jam. Like, I hate it here. That's TikTok for me. It's just like that. It's like that club, the music's too loud. It's, and everybody's a douchebag. And I realize I'm being just a crotchety old man and violently judgmental. I'm so sorry. I had no idea, which is my fault. Egg on my face. I clearly have not been paying attention to the data. I knew that TikTok was overtaking Facebook from a social app engagement perspective. I had no idea that the website was that freaking popular. That's unbelievable. I'm going to the website now, actually, because I've never... There we go. So here's the TikTok website. So yeah, I'm already just like... I don't know. Whatever. It's fine. It's fine. I'll get over this. But what's kind of cool about this, so number one, let me just back up. I think TikTok's really worth looking at right now from a traffic perspective. If TikTok has been able to outpace Google on a domain level, what are they doing from an app engagement level? You know what I mean? Like, that's unbelievable. And I haven't, I can't say I haven't taken TikTok seriously, because I do think that the traffic from TikTok is valuable, and I've made recommendations to certain clients and strategic partners that they should pursue TikTok. But now, I want to go all in on that. Like, if you're not utilizing TikTok traffic and it could be viable for your model, obviously it's contextual, then I'd look into it based solely off of this data point. So that's number one. Number two is when I figured this out, this came out late December. I just kind of took the latter half of December off, to be honest with you. So I'm sorry that I'm behind on some of this. But what this led to is I was like, well, how do you know that? Like, what data are you looking at that tells you this? And it turns out that it's from a tool called Cloudflare Radar. I didn't know that Cloudflare Radar existed. It is awesome. It's awesome. And it shows you like an immense wealth of data, not just, domains, which there it is again. That blows me away. That is unfreaking believable. I just cannot wrap my head around that. TikTok, y'all, it doesn't... Google is the world's repository for knowledge. I don't know what TikTok is. TikTok is like... It's the epitome of intellectual junk food. I mean, I guess that's what it is. Like, we just lost the battle, and we're headed towards psychological obesity, because it shocks me. I'll stop. I'm sorry. I do think it's interesting so a couple of notes here. Google, Facebook, these two make sense. I can't believe that Microsoft is beating out Amazon and YouTube. And this has to be like a default search engine setting thing, or, has something to do with Microsoft's deep embedment with like B2B hardware installation, whatever. Like that doesn't make sense to me at all. Also didn't realize that Cloudflare was as popular as it was, given that this is Cloudflare's tool. I'm like, I don't know about that. But anyway, I love this radar tool. Really worth paying attention to. 35% of all the internet traffic is bot traffic. That's not surprising at all. Here's mobile and desktop distribution over time. So just a really nifty little tool. Here's the problem, though, is I don't understand how it works. I went and I did some searching for the methodology behind Cloudflare Radar, and the closest I got, each second Cloudflare handles, on average, 18 million HTTP requests and 6 million DNS requests. With 1 billion unique IP addresses connected to Cloudflare's network, we have one of the most representative views on internet traffic worldwide. How? Because Cloudflare, I thought, was just a DNS proxy. Like, I don't understand where they're seeing searches. So if you have a better handle on this tool than I do, please let me know. because that sounds really promising. 1 billion unique app pages connected to Cloudflare's network, but I just don't get how it works. So I'm not saying I don't trust their data, because I think I do. Like, there's just way too much of it, and they're diving way too deep. It's way too granular to be off. I don't get how. My assumption would be that you need to be on the originating end of a search and/or domain query in order to see. And I'd never viewed Cloudflare that way. But all that to say, the Cloudflare Radar tool, super cool. I'm sure if it's not already, it'll go paid and there'll be a premium version. Accelerates, protects millions of websites, apps, SaaS services. I just need to go look into Cloudflare more. Maybe it does way more than I thought it did. Because we use it for DNS hosting. That's it. Google's no longer number one. Google is lost to freaking TikTok. Shoot me in the face. I just can't. I can't, y'all. I can't. I would have, if we lost to Facebook, like, that would have also been a sad day, but I would have, like, I'm like, all right, I kind of get it. There's groups and communities and whatever. I am just an irrelevant old man is what it is. I just don't, I guess TikTok has all those things too. I just don't get it. I don't get it. Like, what is it? Why is this interesting? I don't get it. Somebody school me up on TikTok. I do not get it. This is weird. This is all. It's mildly. I won't say anything more. And I just don't understand. Especially like the micro content thing too. You can't say anything of. This video's getting weird. That's it. That's it. We'll see what happens. Pay attention to TikTok. Check out Cloudflare Radar. I shoot a video every day. Not all of them are this depressing. Here's the thing: is I know I'm on the wrong side of that line. By the way, I'm a digital marketer who is telling you he doesn't understand the world's #1 media sharing site. I'm wrong, obviously. So I need to go to school on that damn thing, and we're going to go get on the TikTok bandwagon somehow, because I've been ignoring it at my peril, obviously, at my peril. I think that's a really interesting opportunity as well for those of you that have taken a big hit with your Facebook ads. Man, go look at TikTok. Who knew? Who knew? That was crazy. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Shoot a video every day. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up. That lets YouTube know we actually know what we're doing. We shoot a video every single day, so if you want to be notified, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any input, don't hesitate to hit us up in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. We get very little human interaction. Thanks for supporting our channel, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow.